thank you. Oh, I'm done to you again, Chef Kitchen. So let me. Actually, I want to use Normie Perez vlog because I don't want losing my views and my WH as I am using my main channel, the one that I am having right now, the one that I'm using for my live streaming. So I would like to use my other second channel. So Shali Mix. So Shali. Let me see you, Shali. There you are. You might have your videos that I haven't seen yet. Xiao Bonjourno. Okay. So Shali. Ciao, buongiorno. Ciao. Ciao, amiga. May harang ka. Si Shani, may harang ka. Well, let me wake up in the morning. In the middle of the sea, I wanna sing that na na on the way outside. Of forest mountains. I didn't go to si Shali, I'm watching you, and si Shali, nandito ako kay mo. Sa palabas mo, itong mo dito, ang haba ng yung harang. Si Shali, harang mo sa beginning. You got harang at the beginning. Let me drown in the way outside. Chef Kitchen live on. Yes, Chef Kitchen live on. I'm still here live. But Chef Kitchen, how many that I'm delicious alo, chemo. 10, that is 5 minutes again, we'll see. Alright, another 5 minutes, another channel. Another channel is watching. Healthy. Many ingredients. That's again yours, Chef Kitchen, and si Shali, I'm watching you as well. You're welcome, Chef Kitchen. By the way, Chef Kitchen, are you from Thailand? Chef Kitchen, are you from Thailand, sis? Because are you from Thailand or Saudi Arabia?